What's going on, guys? It's me, Xavier here. Welcome to another vlog. So right now I am in Heathrow, London Heathrow, and we are off to Santiago, Chile. This is the start of our 3-week trip to South America. We'll be covering Chile, Bolivia, Ecuador, and Colombia. So yeah, nothing much happening today. We're just gonna catch the flight. Tomorrow we're going to check out Chile. Guys, we finally made it to Atacama. So the plan for today is to go to see the Moon Valley. I think that's how it is called, Valle di Moon. Maybe shoot the sunset there and maybe stay there for astrophotography. That's the plan. Alright guys, we are currently looking to buy some sunscreen. It's getting really hot in here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Get some basic supplies, get some snacks and some drinks, and then we'll head to the Valle di Moon. Alright, I'm not sure if you can hear me. It's really windy up here. I think we came to the viewpoint quite early. I think it's a couple more hours for sunset. So we're just doing some time lapse and just really waiting for sunset. It looks pretty cool, but I'm not really sure how it's gonna turn out when the sun actually go down. I'm really hopeful. It's kind of windy, so I don't think I'll be able to fly the drone. But you know, that's okay. We got quite a few more days. So yeah, that's for now. Thank you.